So, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Digitech Computer Services.co.ke, and there you'll find so many videos on repair and maintenance of computers and other devices. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please also drop a comment. And today I want to show you how you can remove it's called a fan from a system unit, and this is how you go about it. And now here is our system unit that you are going to use. You can see it's a big system unit, and it has various components inside, but today we want to measure on a fan that is used to cool the computer system processor. That is the processor, where and the location of the processor is also where the fan is located to help it cool the processor, because of various or so many processes that are undertaken when computer is being in use, or rather when there is a lot of applications or events that are going or running inside your computer system. So first, you disconnect, ensure that you disconnect your computer from the power and place it in a safe place. Then ensure that your computer is safe and you are also safe. The environment that you are using has some ergonomic measures were undertaken. Then, depending on the type of the system units that you're using, some you can unscrew, others you just slide to open the covers. So for mine, you just slide it like this. I just need to slide it and lift up the cover. Use it. Now, here I have the components. It's now the inner part of our system unit, whereby we have various components. And just like I told you, we want to measure basically with a fan that helps in cooling the processor. And this is our processor. This is the location of our processor, whereby the fan is lifted a little bit up by the heat sink, another component here called heat sink. So on top of that heat sink is where we have our fan. So you pick your screwdriver and remove the fan, and screw the fan. Remember, depending on the system unit that you are using, the fan might be held together with the heatsink. So it will depend with the kind of the system unit that you are using. So for our case here, we have our fan placed on top of the heatsink. So after you open the screws, ensure that you disconnect the fan connector from the motherboard. So ensure that you disconnect. This is the connector from the motherboard. Then you just lift up your fan, and this is the fan. This is the fan that we're having now. As we can see, is the fan. You can rotate. So maybe whatever reasons that you wanted to take it out, whether you wanted to replace it, maybe it might have malfunctioned or something of the kind, or maybe it has become, let's say, obsolete, or it's not working. So you might need to replace it, or maybe do something else. So this is the fan, and now we take it back. Just place it on top of the heat sink. After you place it on top of the heat sink, you can take your screwdriver and return the screws carefully. You return the screws carefully, and remember, just like I said, some fans are connected direct to together with the heat sink. So you just take them out, and not all of them that have the screws that can come out. For our case, just screw them back, turn them back, and remember to connect. Remember to connect. Remember to connect. Remember to return the connector back to the motherboard, and after you have returned it, take your lid, cover your computer system so that and slide it. When you're done, you can return back the computer system to use. You can connect it back to the power source and continue using. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.